What the country's realizing now is that making things is important. The reason making things is important is it employs a lot of people, it gives you expertise that other markets want, and it teaches you to innovate.
Not everybody's going to be a rocket scientist. Not everybody's going to be a doctor. Not everybody's going to be a lawyer. We're going to have jobs for people that want to do something, want to use their hands. It's a philosophically bad choice to keep going after the dollar and only the dollar, as opposed to investing in our future.
You know, we have a complicated manufacturing footprint. We produce in 6 different countries in well over 20 facilities. But we're still the company that makes athletic shoes here in the U.S. in 5 different factories